Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. Next month will be Christmas. Do you have any gifts ready? Today I want to show you a bracelet with Christmas meaning. I will use 6mm red jasper stone and a 925 sterling silver Christmas flower. This is a special connector that you can easily make a true wraps bracelet. Two holes here. So the bracelet looks like a bangle. And we also have similar style of a lotus with detailed pattern and a trendy look. Very unique. And I made it with 5.3mm garnet beads. Okay, since it's an elastic style, I will use elastic cords, rose red color. And the bead holes of the red jasper stones are quite large. We can use 4 cords to make it. Sample resize 6.5 inches as always. Okay, let's make it. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. With every Christmas card I write, may your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. Okay, the bracelet is done. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.